Hi everybody, my name is Swati Maan. I'm a dentist. Well, today I am not going to talk about any suggestion or information about the teeth care. I'm going to talk about 5 major myths what general public have about their teeth care and the dental care. So let's talk about it. Myth number 1, scaling and polishing will make my teeth really sensitive. Well, that's absolutely a myth. The purpose of scale and polish is to remove the layer of plaque and tartar from your teeth, which is a natural buildup on our teeth. Well, if you're regular with your dentist and you're having your regular cleanings and every 6 months to a year, you would not have the sensitivity after the cleaning. But if you're leaving a gap of more than a year between your professional cleaning visits, you have more than average amount of plaque and tartar deposit on your teeth surface. And hence your dentist has to go a little bit deeper into the gum tissues to clean the surface as well, which can trigger a little bit of a sensitivity. But this kind of sensitivity that you get after a deep cleaning should go away within a week or 2 weeks' time. But if it's not going away within a week or 10 days, it's very important that you go back to your dentist and do talk to them about your general oral health because sometimes some issues require addressing. Myth number 2, that teeth whitening damages the enamel and hence I feel sensitivity after the teeth whitening. So let's try and understand what does a teeth whitening do and why it whitens your teeth. Well, mostly the teeth whitening gels have got peroxide in there, and when that peroxide comes in contact with your enamel, it releases oxygen, and that oxygen is meant to whiten your teeth. Sometimes that only oxygen can go close to the nerves as well because the teeth have got nerves inside the body of the tooth. So those nerves sometimes can get triggered from the oxygen release from the peroxide gel, and hence you feel sensitivity. Well, that means to say that there is nothing, a chemical that's causing the sensitivity. It's just a release of oxygen which can lead to the sensitivity, and that's absolutely safe for you and for your enamel. But if you're getting a teeth whitening done from a non-professional or somebody who's not a dentist, in that scenario, this can be damaging to your teeth as well. So my advice will be go for the teeth whitening, but always take the suggestion of your dentist before buying any product. And ideally try and buy a teeth whitening product which is approved by your dentist or your dental hygienist. Myth number 3, too much brushing, that means brushing for too long, and brushing with a lot of pressure is going to clean the teeth better. Well, that's again a myth. It's because we all know that brushing is very important, and regular brushing in the morning and evening for up to 2 to 3 minutes is very important to keep our teeth clean. But if you're putting a lot of pressure and if you're using a very hard bristle brush and if you're brushing for too long, like say for example 4 to 5 minutes or so, you're causing a lot of damage to your gums in the form of gum recession, which is a leading cause of the sensitivity in adults. Also, if there is gum recession, there is a chance of having cavities around the neck of the teeth, and that can lead to the sensitivity. So my advice will be to brush for not longer than 2 to 3 minutes and use the right type of toothbrush for you. So if your dentist has advised you to use an electronic brush with a sensor that tells you that how much pressure you need to apply on your enamel, and consistent brushing, that's what we need. So not too much brushing and not for too long brushing. Myth number 4, which most of you might have tried, I'm sure, is the teeth whitening toothpaste is going to whiten my teeth. Well, I'm really sorry, but that's a myth, because what's the purpose of the teeth whitening toothpaste is to keep your teeth stain free. So teeth whitening toothpaste have got some crystals that gently remove the stains from your teeth surface, and hence your teeth look brighter. There is no harm using the teeth whitening toothpaste if you have a professional teeth whitening done and you follow up with your own hygiene procedures by the use of the teeth whitening toothpaste. That's going to keep your teeth stain free, and mostly the stains are dark in color, which discolors your teeth. So of course the teeth whitening toothpaste helps us in keeping our teeth cleaner and brighter, but that doesn't change the color of your teeth. The teeth whitening toothpaste is not going to make your teeth look whiter, but yeah, cleaner. Myth number 5, that the baby teeth are not very important or they do not require too much care just because they are temporary. Well, again, that's a myth. It's because baby teeth are as important as adult teeth. For a child to grow properly and for the digestive system of the child, it's very important that they chew their food properly. And to chew their food properly and with a right amount of pressure, they need healthy teeth. So it's very important that you start taking your child to the dentist every 6 months as soon as they have their teeth, and start inculcating the habit of brushing twice a day as soon as they are 6 months to 1 year old. Of course, with your help, you must help your child in brushing until they turn around 7 to 8 year old. Also, the baby teeth act as space maintainers for the permanent teeth to grow. So for the right eruption of the permanent teeth, it's very important that the baby teeth are looked after, because sometimes the problems in the baby teeth Like cavities, infections can cause problems to the eruption of the permanent teeth as well. So again, that's a myth. The children teeth or the baby teeth are as important as the adult's teeth. So I hope that I managed to burst some of the myths what many people have, because sometimes what people say is not always right, and it's good to just kind of do your research and get the right information. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about any other myth, feel free to drop me the message in the comment section, and I will look forward to it. And again, I'll say bye-bye for now, and thanks for watching, and please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you're liking the content, and I look forward to see you in my next video. Thanks.